Today, I've had a copy of myself to put inside a plane with wireless HD head tracking so I can look back on myself while flying because I think it's absolutely hilarious. Me? 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 I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I finally got the chance at the Western Park Model Air Show in the UK, where Matthew and Gwen from scalemedown 3D scanned me at the event and went home to resin print and paint the model to the dimensions I requested and then posted me to me for 48 quid. I should probably state that the models do not come animated. This is something I have done for myself because it is fun. I'll put a link in the video description as well as a pinned comment to a video on how they do this because it's really amazing. If you want something like this done for yourself, Matthew and Gwen go to all of the big RC model events in the UK and will scan you there and then. However, if you have a club or a group of 10 people or more, they will arrange for you to be scanned outside of an event. Once they have scanned you, they can reprint as many of you as you like and even change the scale or give you pretty much any modification you like. For example, my hat and glasses were not 3D scanned. They were added afterwards. It's ironic recently that a group cloned the channel and spammed hundreds of comments trying to extort money out of people. They need to take a good look at themselves in the mirror, just like I can now do in the air. I hope none of you got caught out by these criminals and it's now been sorted. I want to say a big thank you to Matthew and Gwen for all the hard work they put in. They are making the hobby even more interesting, which it always needs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.